I was out for a run and now I'm going to test the Garmin Pay feature in a local store in this area in just a moment, and I'm going to use my Garmin Fenix Pro to pay for my transaction at the store. So on the Garmin Fenix Pro you have the Garmin Pay feature. I have already set it up on the Garmin Connect app. I connected my TransferWise debit card to this Garmin watch, and I'll show you how to access the wallet on the Garmin device and how to use the contactless payment at the store with it. So in order to access the wallet on the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro, I'll long press the light button and I can get to the wallet, and now I need to enter my passcode. Just for this demo set a real simple passcode. This is not the one I will be using later on, and now I can see the debit card, TransferWise debit card I set up previously on the Garmin device, and I can hold the watch to the card reader and pay for the transaction. So let's go to the store and test it out. Now I'm at the store and I'm gonna find something to drink. So I was able to buy a Coke from the store with my Garmin smartwatch. Actually, that was really handy and smooth to pay for the transaction with Garmin Pay, so I totally recommend that.